Is it the right time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Google. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, January 26, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's essential not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since December 18, 2023, our system has ranked Google as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During the past 27 days, Google has surpassed our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 12.07% since our initial recommendation to buy. This translates to an average return of 0.45% per day since we labeled it as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are uncertain about the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong short-term upward trend and is showing even stronger upward momentum. This indicates that any potential pullbacks may find support around the previous trend line, which was broken at $151.49. This could present a second opportunity for the stock to continue its upward movement. Based on fan theory, the next potential resistance level is projected to be around $162.83. Breaking this level on the first attempt may prove challenging. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential expected change of 13.86% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from 4.87% to 13.35%. Analyzing the 12-month trend, there is a projected change of 46.52% over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 29.18% to 49.15%. In terms of price, this translates to a range of $196.59 to $226.98 after 1 year. Our latest update on Google's stock price reveals an increase of 0.207% on Friday. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 26, 2024, the Google stock price showed a gain of 0.207%. It went up from $151.87 to $152.19. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if the upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a 1.01% fluctuation, reaching a low of $151.01 and a high of $152.54. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 7 of them, resulting in a cumulative increase of 7.11% over the past 2 weeks. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 3 million shares. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.90 billion. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume despite higher prices can indicate a divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next few days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $153.05, while the lowest was $88.58. Currently, the price is 0.57% lower than the 52-week high, equivalent to a difference of 87 cents. Furthermore, it stands at a substantial 93.79% below the all-time high, which was reached on June 14, 2021, when the price peaked at $2,448.92. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Alphabet Incorporated, the parent company of Google. On Wednesday, December 27, 2023, Wedbush gave Alphabet Incorporated a rating of outperform with a recommended action of hold. Moving on to Thursday, November 2, 2023, Oppenheimer gave Alphabet Incorporated a rating of perform with a recommended action of hold. Let's go back a bit to Wednesday, October 25, 2023, when Morgan Stanley rated Alphabet Incorporated as overweight with a recommended action of hold. Another analyst rating worth mentioning is from Friday, October 13, 2023, when Macquarie gave Alphabet Incorporated a rating of overweight with a recommended action of hold. Lastly, on that same day, KeyBank rated Alphabet Incorporated as overweight with a recommended action of hold. According to analysts, Google stock has received a general rating of strong buy. The P/E ratio is also rated as strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is considered strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a strong buy rating. We have identified several signals for Google's stock. Let's dive into the details. The moving averages, both short and long-term, are giving buy signals, which is a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock will find support at $147.95 and $139.86. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. We observed a buy signal from a pivot bottom point on Monday, December 4, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 17.73%. This upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. However, it is worth noting that despite the stocks gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Today, we'll discuss some interesting signals you should know about in the stock market. The moving average convergence divergence signal indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal, which occurred 37 days ago. Bollinger signals indicate a buy signal, recorded just 1 day ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal, which occurred 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal, recorded 16 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal, which occurred 49 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe a sell signal for the short moving average, 16 days ago. However, the long-term moving average suggests a buy signal, recorded 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicates a buy signal, which occurred 43 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Let's talk about the support levels for Google's stock. Currently, there are 2 important support levels below today's price. The first one is at $136.93 and the second one is at $134.99. When a stock tests a support level, there is always a risk involved. If the support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In this case, if $136.93 is broken, then the next support level will be at $134.99 and $132.60. Now, let's discuss the risk associated with trading this stock. Google has an average level of volatility during the day and a good trading volume. This means that the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price movement of $1.53 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 1.01% of the stock's value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.49%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Google. One crucial measure is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Google's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is often seen in businesses with established track records or consistent revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings are $1.60. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for Google. When looking at the accumulated volume, there doesn't seem to be any significant resistance above. This suggests that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. In such cases, it may be wise to enter a position and use volume as a determining factor for when to exit. On the downside, Google faces its first support level at $136.93. If this level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, with the anticipation of a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, the combined average rating for Google is a strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. We have Pichai Sundar, who executed the 5 most recent insider trades. He bought and sold a total of 22,500 shares or options in the company. Based on the 3 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -98.662. Overall, insiders have purchased 0 shares and sold 22,500 shares in the last 3 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $148.11, which is a decrease of 2.68%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. The RSI 14, a measure of relative strength, is currently at 91, which significantly increases the risk associated with this stock. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 36 days ago, further supporting the positive outlook for this stock. Is Google stock a good buy? While Google holds several positive signals, we believe it falls short of being a strong buy candidate. Instead, it should be considered as a hold candidate or a position to accumulate while waiting for further development. Our analysis of the volatility and movements from the last trading day indicates that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Monday, January 29th, we anticipate Google's stock to open down by $0.275 and start trading at $151.91. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. StockInvest.us should not be solely relied upon for investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We're here to discuss the current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What's your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have a successful trading day and a beautiful day ahead. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.